Let's turn this into this in a matter of seconds. Alright, so go to the lasso tool in Photoshop. Now, on a side note, you need to have the beta version of Photoshop downloaded from the Creative Cloud. Of course, this could change in the future, but for now, you need to download the beta version of Photoshop. Alright, let's go back. And then you want to select the area that you want to change. And for us, we're going to change this outfit. So we're going to select that and go to the generative fill toolbar that's going to automatically populate. And from there, you're going to type in what you want. And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to just do a hospital gown or a scrub. Generate, and it's going to take some time to generate. And now we have this. And if you look at the property section, there's different variations, and all with AI, it's able to create a whole new outfit. I would say there are some limitations. If you look closely at the generated outfits, you can tell that there are some discrepancies, or there are some errors in it. Like, for example, you can see the stethoscope not looking properly. I would probably crop them up just to show the top half, or not show the missing areas. Alright, let's do another example. I'm going to type in a construction worker outfit and hit generate. And here are some of the results. Like for that one right there, you can tell that looks very good. And the other one's not so much. So that's the one I'll probably keep. Once the technology becomes more and more refined, it is going to be a game changer, and it is going to affect the way how we develop e-learning modules. Alright, if you have any questions on instructional design or e-learning development, feel free to ask away. Thanks for watching.